Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash first broke out this big falling wedge pattern in this symmetrical triangle, and after that you can see that Bitcoin Cash turned parabolic bullish, and so far from this low to here to this high, you can see that Bitcoin Cash has rallied more than 716%. And during this rally, the price and also formed this up channel as well. And here we had a breakout from this channel, but the price and once again got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And previously, this resistance zone had been breaking as a resistance here, support here, and resistance on here. And again, it worked as a very, very strong resistance on, and the price line has re-entered the same up channel that was previously broken out. And after the breakdown, you can see that this previous resistance of the channel was working as support for 1 week. It worked as a support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after this bounce from this resistance of the channel as a support, the price and again broke it down. And now recently, the price has tested this very, very long-term support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. And at the same time, there is also a hidden bullish divergence flash on this chart. As you can see that the price is forming higher low than previous low, but RSI is moving down and it is forming lower than previous low. That is another signal for the price reversal. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for injective protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 11th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that previously, since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this very, very big falling wedge pattern. And when it was dropped here at this quite long-term support zone that starts from $95 and goes to $88, you can see that it worked as a very nice support zone here, support here, and again worked as a very, very nice support here as well. And in those days, I shared different videos with you, several videos with you, and I've been telling you in those days that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this wedge, and we have found a very, very firm support here. Therefore, there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And you can see that after that, the price then turned parabolic bullish and rallied more than 716%. And during this rally, the price then also broke out this symmetrical triangle as well. And recently, it also broke out this up channel as well, but could not break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And if we take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then you can see that back here in the month of August 2017, it has been breaking as a resistance zone. And here in the month of Feb 2018, it has been breaking as a support zone here as well. And here it worked as a resistance zone in the month of Feb 2021. And here as a support, and here as a resistance, and here as a resistance as well. And recently you can see that it worked as a very, very strong resistance once again, and the price line has re-entered the same up channel that was previously broken out. And now after the breakdown, you can see that it broke down this uptrend line resistance that was working as a support. And now recently it has tested this support, this red line, that is an exponential moving average 21. You can see that for the past several months it is breaking as a very, very nice support. It worked as a support here. Here for a while it broke it down, but it covered back very soon. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as support here as well. And now recently, after this drop, it again worked as a very nice support. At the same time, we also have a hidden bullish divergence signal on this 7 days time frame chart, as the price line is forming higher low. But if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then you can see that it is forming lower than previous low and moving to the downside. That is a price reversal signal and a signal of a hidden bullish divergence. And you can see that the price line is likely to follow this signal and geared up. And now it is again moving above this support of EMA 21, did not break it down. And now there is a probability that after a successful retest, the price line may start another reversal from here to break out this uptrend line resistance of this up channel. Once the price line will be able to break out this up channel, then technical target for this breakout will be here. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target can be approximately at $1,460. And the final target for this huge breakout from this bigger down channel, not a down channel, falling wedge pattern, will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $1,600 to $1,800. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.